Good morning, people. Hope you guys are staying well and safe. A quick video I'd like to show you basically on these older laptops that the hinges are snapping off basically from either corner. So what's been done here so far is that first of all is that they're completely broken off, snapped off though. There's no supporting crown under these hinges, basically hinge bracket I should say, or the support bit. So what I've done is basically I've built up a foundation with Bostik glue, okay, just like what you see, so that the hinge sits flush. Then what I've done is applied the hinges on a normal sort of a state, you know, just leaving the lid like this so that it's sitting nice and snug and flat basically, and then drilled from the underneath here, 2 screw holes here and 2 screw holes there, and as you can see that there's 2 screws here and 2 screws here. Now this is absolutely solid. This will last its lifetime without causing any problem. However, one of the things what I did do though is I've slackened these screws on the edge, turned a quarter turn anti-clockwise, just to loosen the movement of this so that the lid can sort of open and close a little bit easier. So that's that, and you know, sadly the reason why the crown or the support breaks off on either side is because over time the screws here and the movement here stiffens, and that's one of the reasons why they snap off, you know, after a good couple of years. Same here as well. So by slackening it, basically I'm taking out kind of an insurance policy that the movement of the LCD would be a little bit softer, but it's not going to break the thing outright from the bottom basically. Yes, when you drop in it you will get this effect, but who cares, as long as you know you can be gentle with it. At least this laptop it is old, but it's an i3 second generation, and it's still working. I'm just refurbishing this laptop for somebody, and upgrading the hard drive, and I've just literally gone through a complete service. So that's that. So I thought I'll just share you my thought process of repairing these bits basically. So that's all. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.